Hello everyone, welcome to day 42 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful heart stitch. This is worked in 3 rows and the first row starts with a foundation double crochet. I have done a row of foundation double crochet. If you're starting off with a foundation chain, make sure to add the turning chains as well. And now for the second row, we have to do one single crochet into each stitch. Okay. So I did a foundation row and I'm halfway through the first row of single crochet stitches. So here I am at the last single crochet stitch. Now it's time for you to change colors. You can choose any color that you want. This is going to be the color of the heart. Since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I'm choosing red. Let's make some pretty red hearts. Now change to this, change to this color. Okay. Now chain 3 and into the very first stitch we are going to work our first cluster. That is, we are going to make 2 incomplete double crochet stitches. So that is, you yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, only pull out of the first 2. So make 2 incomplete double crochet stitches like this and then you complete it together. Okay. And now chain 2 and skip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into the 6th stitch you are going to make your next incomplete double crochet stitch. So you yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out only out of the first 2, leave the 2 loops, again yarn over, start the next double crochet. Then again yarn over one more time and start the next double crochet. Once you have 3 double crochets or 4 loops, yarn over, pull out of all 3. Now chain 2, again make a cluster. Again chain 2, skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into the 6th stitch. Into the 6th stitch, make the next cluster. And into the last stitch, you make the last cluster. Okay. So this is only 3 clusters. You don't do the next half. Now this is where you switch back to the main color. Okay. Chain 1, turn your work into the very first stitch. You are going to, I forgot to chain 2 in between. So you have to chain 2 and into the last one you have to make the half cluster. Okay. So now this is where you you change the color to the main color and make 1 chain, turn your work and into the very first stitch make 1 single crochet. Okay, chain 1 again. Now we are going to make 1 half double crochet into the middle 3 stitches. You are going to skip 1 stitch here and 1 stitch here you're going to make it into the white portion here, that is 2 rows below. So make 1 half double crochet, and see that I'm chaining over the red one. So the red part, that is the chain 2, it gets hidden into the half double crochet. So it's the second one, and that's the third one. Okay, chain 2 and you make 1 single crochet into the in between the 2 clusters. Again chain 2, and you're going to skip 1 stitch here and 1 stitch here. Into the middle part, that is the middle 3 stitches, we are going to make a half double crochet. So this row is what shapes the stitch. So make sure to pull tight so that it forms this beautiful heart shape. Again chain 2, make 1 single crochet in between, chain 2 and make 3 half double crochet, skipping 1 in the start, 1 at the start and 1 at the end. So basically, while there are 5 stitches in between, you skip the very first stitch, crochet into the second one, third one and the fourth one. So that kind of pulls the work a bit down, creating that beautiful heart shape. Okay. Again chain 2 and 1 single crochet at the end. So here's our first row of heart stitch, and you just have to make 1 row of double crochet stitches into the next one. So the next row will be a row of double crochet stitches, and then you have to repeat row 2, row 3 and row 4 till you reach the desired length. So do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section below and I will definitely get to it. And I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.